It's 3:58. I'm picking up my cousin Steve-O, and then we're heading over to go to Eric's. Steve-O.
What's up, dude?
Good morning.
Mountains. Oh, God. Eric, it's early.
I know. Feel good, though. Feeling pretty good about this.
It's 7:22. I switched driving positions with Eric.
Yeah, I'm thinking about doing that. Before you put someone's eye out, kid.
I keep mine up. You said?
200,000. Oh, it's not like 197. That's some high mileage up there.
Accurate, yeah. What year is that thing? 05?
Yeah. 07. 07? Do many things like climbing mountains.
Hot sauna. Hot things up there.
Oh, right. A sauna would be so nice.
Right at the top.
Sauna?
You know, if they have a hot tub, a sauna, a nice smoothie.
Getting up there.
Take a cab.
Nobody does. Nobody listens. Look at the rays coming in over the fucking mountain and shit.
Wow, you see that waterfall over there?
Uh-huh.
That's crazy.
Just in case.
I can't wait till we go over there, guys. So I'll-
This hurts.
Crushed it. Right in the valley.
I feel like this hike is kind of a metaphor for life. Once you think you're at the top, you realize there's more to go. Starting to snow a little bit. I think the summit is just beyond the clouds up there. So, Steve was about to hit what looks to be almost at the top. There's some
Pretty wild, dude.
Good job.
Good job, man. You did it.
Let's keep going.
Honestly, Brett, you might not like this, but we might have to consider taking that thing down.
What? We're almost there. Auto road, baby.
Oh man, dude, this is really good. Get a picture of this shit. Right. Get a picture of that train.
So we're at mile 7. We got to get to 3, and then we're gonna see a trail. Forget the name, but then that's 2 miles to the Pinchot.
Oh boy. Sitting in the road. He's just sitting in the road.
Sitting in the road.
Sitting in the road. Taking a break.
So we're walking down this road. We're looking for Old Jackson Road. It's dark out. Not as cold as it was at the summit. The summit was really cold. But yeah, update. See you at Old Jackson Road. Old Jackson Road, baby.
It is
Woo!
8:04.
Woo! My legs are a bit wobbly.
This is kind of nuts.
Oh my god.
It was amazing.
You made it, Eric. Steve-O.
Success.
Jordan. How do we feel?
Feel fine.
Like I climbed a mountain.
Alright. We're all packed up. Cool view.
We're beef, baby.